why don't photographers just give me a quote instead of asking me for my budget? Someone asked this on Threads, and they also said that people who ask for their budget, they are probably going to overcharge them, because if they tell them their budget, then what if they were charging less than that, and now they'll have to pay that, and otherwise they could have gotten the service for cheaper if the photographer had given the quote instead of asked the client for the budget. I have been eye rolling at this stuff for a very long time, as you know. 20 years in the business as a photographer. I've worked with all kinds of clients, dealt with even more types of clients that didn't end up being clients. And sure, photographers, the reason is it depends on what kind of photographer it is. It depends on what kind of shoot it is. If it is a very well-defined shoot which the photographer lists on their website and they have a fixed price for that, then that's what the price is. But if you reach out to a photographer, I'll give you an example. For a recent portraiture shoot that I did for a client, he essentially wanted headshots, and he was like, oh, I'm looking for headshots, how much do you charge? And what I generally do is that, okay, 3 images, X amount of money, 1 location, no garment changes, and the shoot time will be 30 to 35 minutes. So that's a very specific quote that I have given the client. Now the client might then come back to me and say, no, I want to shoot at 3 locations. I want to do 3 garment changes. I want to also change my makeup and my styling 3 times. And 1 shoot I want to do in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 in the evening. You can see that this will cost a lot more. The number of images goes up. The post-production time goes up. What kind of post-production and retouching do they want? Do they want stylized stuff using generated AI, or are they simply looking to remove a couple of pimples from their face? There's a vast range in the middle of that, and honestly, very, very simplistic. So the pricing is different. And then if the client tells me oh, my budget is $500, I'm like, that's not possible to do it in $500. I'll be upfront with that. So, my quote is, if most clients don't come to photographers with very specific requirements. Most clients who come to me with very specific requirements are people who've been hiring photographers their entire career. So they are like, yes, we will need lights, we will need 1 assistant, we will whatever. It's like a long list of things. There are props, there's styling, there's, locations, it's endless. So that is one reason why when someone reaches out to us and says, oh, I need headshots, how much do you charge? I don't know. Why don't you tell me what your budget is? Then I can recommend what profession do you work in? Which, is it like a very professional business law kind of profession, or are you an artist, or you are whatever? It depends. It really depends on what it is that you're going for, and most clients don't know that. So how am I supposed to give a quote? Whereas if you come to me and you say that, oh, I want headshots done and my budget is around between, $1,000 to $1,500, then I'll be like, oh, that's cool. Okay, what do you do? What is your profession? And then I'll suggest that, okay, maybe we can do 2 different things. One we can do at your office, so it's more like a very, very super business professional kind of thing. One we can do a little more casual thing, because sometimes people have 2 roles, they do 2 things. So one could be at a botanic garden, one could be at a concrete, steel and concrete spot, or whatever. And then we can do, so that's 2 garment changes, 2 locations, and that's it. But the funniest thing I find is that as a client, when you are looking for a photographer, you have a budget in mind. Because if you don't have a budget in mind, you're wasting time. Everyone's time, yours and the photographer's. You already have a budget in mind, right? You've decided, okay, I can't spend more than $2,000 on this shoot. So when you go to a photographer, you tell the photographer that this is generally what I'm looking for in terms of photographs, and my budget is $2,000. Now, if the photographer says, yes, I will do it in $2,000, what is the problem? That was your budget, right? That is what you wanted to spend. So you are spending that much. What's the issue? I always find this very funny to talk about, because a lot of people don't get it. They're all like, no, but what if I could have gotten it cheaper? So then set a lower budget, no? Then you set a budget for $1,500. And then the photographer will be like, yeah, $1,500, let's do it. That's your budget. You fix that amount and said, this is what I am able and willing to spend. And then the photographer says, yes, I can do it for you in that budget. So you are able and willing to spend that. So you will be spending that and everything's awesome. But if you are entering a relationship with someone that you are going to work with intimately, because photographers you work with intimately, they're literally in your face. They want you to be yourself, they want you to relax, to get the most authentic portrait possible. If you are entering that relationship from a point of distrust from the get-go, where you feel that the photographer is overcharging you, which is why they didn't want to share the quote with you, don't do that. If you genuinely want beautiful photographs, yeah, why would you do that? Just go in with, hey dude, my budget is only $200, what can you do? Brilliant. I'll do something for $200, trust me. We're more than happy, especially, if the client is actually given, we can tell because, we've been doing it for so long. So even though sometimes, somebody comes up to me and they have this concept in their head and it's something I've never shot before, and I'm like, you know what, fuck it, let's do it. Whatever the budget is. Happy to do it. It's so much fun. I am a photographer because I love it. I enjoy it. Everything. The connections I make, the people I've met, the stories I've heard, the amazing images that I get to create, the locations I get to go to, the travel I get to do. So approach it like that. Tell me what your budget is. Think of a budget. If you don't know where to start, ask. And, then I can say that, okay, wait, is your budget in like $500? Is your budget $5,000? Or is it somewhere in the middle? And we can go from there. That's not a problem. But you have to have a figure in mind. Because you might come to me with this elaborate thought of like, I have 10 performances in the city over the next 1 month. And before each performance, I want to do like a shoot in the costume that I'll be wearing. And how much do you charge? So for me, it's going to be that's 10 days of work, 10 separate days of work. Where is the image going to be used? There's image licensing involved, and depending on how you want to use the images, my pricing changes. A lot of clients don't even know that. So it's difficult for me as a photographer to then, be like, oh, I'll actually charge $10,000 for that. And sometimes clients are like, what the fuck? That's not the kind of budget I have. So tell me what your budget is. You were going to spend it anyway, right? You decided that that's what you want to spend. Yeah, I can't believe I'm still passionate about talking about this stuff. It's been years since I've been talking about it. But if you have any questions related to like photography or content creation or payment terms as a client or as a creator, just, reach out. I'm happy to chat about it anytime.